After a pedicure, this is the presentation for a foot massage. This is to tell the client to relax, and you make sure the instep of their feet rests on your knee. Then you begin your massage. Then you start with a crisscross movement 3 times down. Okay, going to explain something. She has hair on her feet. So if the client don't have hair on their feet, you can go up. But this will hurt and also confuse the hair growth in the skin. And I mean in the hair follicle. So it's best to start back all the way to the top. And you do it 3 times. After doing that, stretch that area out. 2, 3. Now we need a rotary movement. The foot cuff here 3 times up and down. After doing that, stretch it out. 1, 2, 3. Now that the client place their heel, you can go ahead and massage the instep. 1, 2, 3. Then you take that out. 1, 2, 3. Now some foot might be heavier than your hand, so I don't expect you to hold up the client foot like this, and it also bring a strain under the foot cuff right here for the client. So the best thing to do, 1, 2, see, let it rest on you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and pull again. And when pulling, you go with a pressing motion. So that you see how my thumb press and then pull with that pressing motion. Press and pull with that pressing motion 3 times. Then rest back the client instep on your knee and go work with the toe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and pull. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, pull. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, pull. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and pull. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and pull. And even though I hold here, I do not press, because if you press, you will hold the bone, and while you twist on the toe like that, you will hurt the client. So I just rest my fingers, balance right there, but I'm not pressing. And then that's it. And you massage in the ankle here 3 times, and that's it. And you give it a pull. Return procedure to the next foot. So you notice every movement that you do, we do it in 3, so you can remember to do the exact thing on the next foot.